Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Photos app and finding the images you want to preview. This gives you a working set to inspect quickly. Click an album or use search to filter by date, place, or keyword, then select a single photo or drag to marquee multiple items. Once done, press space to use Quick Look or double-click to enter the viewer so you can see metadata and edits at full size without altering originals. You now examine images using Quick Look for speed and the Photos viewer for detail. Press space to pop open Quick Look, which previews without switching apps. Use left/right keys to move through selected images. Double-click any photo to open the Photos viewer, then zoom with Pinch or CMD++, and press I to display metadata and camera settings. Make sure to avoid accidental edits. Use View Mode for inspection and edit only when you plan to change the file. Finish by exporting or sharing the images you've previewed. You can drag photos to the desktop, use File Export for format choices, or right-click to share via AirDrop and Mail. Once done, close the viewer to return the app to its normal state. If a preview won't appear, quit Photos and relaunch. Check Quick Look with space on a Finder image. And if necessary, rebuild the Photos library by holding Option plus Command at launch. This often fixes indexing or preview generation problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.